Hey guys, Mark and Swine here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can generate more leads, more sales, and more reps and maximize the compensation plan for your Trivita business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. Top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets and reveal industry secrets rapid fire. No fluff, no time wasting, all facts. Saving the number one bonus for the very end. Stay tuned for instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the number one lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you the exact simple 3-step strategy that I use to hit the leaderboards for recruiting and to hit the leaderboards for sales with another company. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted prospects to you within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again, so you never have to cold message people. In this way, you can get highly targeted and qualified prospects to you of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. Let's hop right in. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is done by looking at what others who have the success that you want, looking at what they've done, creating updated content, and going after the same keyword. You're going to utilize a tool called TubeBuddy to help you do this. This tool allows you to go to the video that you want to replicate, click on the video, and copy the tags to a Word document. These tags are the keywords that you're going to rank on Google and YouTube for that are going to get traffic to your offer. You're going to create a coherent title with your keyword phrases. Your title should go after multiple keywords while still making sense. You're going to create a description that's 300 words in length and scatter your keywords throughout the description. Place your link at the top of this description. Create a thumbnail using canva.com and save the thumbnail as your primary keyword. You don't want to reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat, just copy the right cat. You don't want to copy word for word verbatim exactly what somebody said, but you want to make 3 to 5 minute content that's similar, that goes after the same keywords. Use Open Broadcast System to share your screen and save your video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. You want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out and who exactly your target audience is. And in this case, it's most likely going to be network marketers. Once you find your target audience, you want to reach out to them with a good first message. Hey Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I noticed the comments that you've been making on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I checked out your profile. We definitely have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, and I think we should connect. It'd be great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? By reaching out to people in this genuine way, you'll start to build your audience. You want to engage with that audience on your timeline. You can ask a question, fill in the blank, I love my blank, quotes, engaging pictures, blog posts, those kind of things are good. You want to make 5 to 10 connections per day. Tony Robbins fan page, Robert Kiyosaki groups are really good. And you want to be consistent in these groups and people will get to know you from your comments. Comments on the posts of others and be social. The key here is around making connections and not closing prospects. You don't want to be the person in those groups trying to close people. It's because you want to post curiosity and not resistance. 90% personal and 10% about your business. The 10% about your business can be the results of others or your own results. 90% personal are pictures of yourself, pictures of you hanging out at the beach, at the mall, pictures of you eating food, inspirational quotes, those kind of things are all good. A good curiosity post is going to actually have somebody reaching out to you about your business anyway. This morning I made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, almond milk. I had energy all day long. Some people may hear that and then say, hey, what's that green powder all about? And that green powder may have something to do with your business. Guys, I hope you got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you exactly how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day. Some people even sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this. I'll see you on the other side.